We'll begin in Simple Windows and open up Help, then Help Topics. Then expand the Tools folder and the Tables folder. You will see ASCII Conversion, which is an ASCII table that is built into Simple Windows. There are also many ASCII tables available online if you prefer. Now we need to find the ETX and STX ASCII values. The ASCII table has both printable characters, ones we can read, and unprintable, which we cannot. The printable characters start at hex 20 for a space. If you wanted a 0, that would be a 30 in hex. Also, note the hex values for lowercase letters and uppercase letters are different. This is important when programming. In our case, we want the 3-byte command to be capital letters. We only need the STX and ETX from this table. The table shows that the hex value for STX is 02 and ETX is 03. This is what we need in the command string in our program. We will replace the STX with 02H and the ETX with 03H in our notepad. This is what the device is looking for. We need to convert this command string into the way Simple Windows needs it to be formatted. We use the lowercase h's to signify hexadecimal numbers. In Simple Windows, the lowercase h would be sent as an ASCII character, and that would not work. In an earlier section, we saw that the \x is needed to send the hex values. The \x is an escape character that tells Simple Windows that the next 2 digits are a hex value. To make the command string work in Simple Windows, we need to use \x, then the 2-digit hex value. First, we will remove all of the h's and then all of the extra spaces. Now, we can start adding the \x's. \x02, \x01, \x00, \x00. We will leave the PON alone. \x00, 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 \x03. Now, we have the proper command format, converted to something we can use in Simple Windows for power on. We will check it one more time to make sure it is formatted properly. And it is. We still need to have commands for power off and HDMI 1. The only difference between the power on and off commands is the 3 letters. We can use copy-paste to make things easier. In the pasted line, change the N in PON to an F for POF. Paste another copy and we will change the PON to HD1 to get the HDMI 1 command. We just built the serial strings we need to send to the projector. Since this is serial data, we need to look in the symbol library in the serial folder for the serial I/O or speed key SIO. Add an SIO to the projector folder. Name it Projector Commands. The last time we used an SIO, we only used it to send serial data. This time, we will do that as well as listen or receive data back from the projector and take action based on what we get back. Open the help file so we can review how the SIO works. There is an RX line where serial strings are received. If a match is found in one of the STR parameters, the corresponding output will go high. For the TX, the parameter value is transmitted when the corresponding input signal goes high. There is also a delimiter that can be applied to strings received or transmitted. We will not use the delimiter this time. We know that there are 3 commands we need to send: power on, power off, and HDMI 1. Let's add 2 more inputs to the SIO. Now all we need to do is copy the strings we made in our notepad to the 3 input parameters. Copy the first string from the notepad. Double-click on the SIO's first parameter line and paste. Copy the second parameter from the notepad. Double-click on the SIO's second parameter and paste. Copy the third parameter from the notepad. Double-click on the SIO's third parameter and paste. We will come back and add signal names to the input side later. We will give the TX signal a name of 2.video.projector. We will continue in the next video.